How can we handle this? That was our... We're gonna die in wave 72, I think, so it's all good. Oh damn! I have 321 already. The heck? Seriously? So bro, it's like better to just get like a high wave. More money. Right. But yeah, we should keep playing until we die, or until like round end. I'm surprised we got this far, bro. Maybe. Yeah, man. Yeah, probably if it weren't for these guys, we'd make it. Yeah. Oh, I know, right? Oh, maybe 72, I think. Should be crystals. Should be. Has to be. Well, I feel you, man. Oh, maybe we're not gonna make it. Look at the... Alright, I'm gonna use some grenades this time. Where's the group? Okay, here we go. Hiya! There we go. Should be good for now. Alright, I'm definitely using grenades now. Huh! You want some? Alright, no, it's done. Hiya! Alright, I'm using all the grenades. Huh! How you like that? Alright. Oh, you! Now! No! Oh crap! Let's see. I got you. Ha! There we go. Oh! This is insane. Damn. Oh god. Alright, let's get that dragon beast. Kill the dragon beast. Incoming explosion! Oh, get back, Raven! She get back, bro. Fall back. I know, right? Wait, dragon shoots lasers? That doesn't make sense. Yeah. It's like red Rickerish candy. Good thing he's not doing an explosion. Oh! Well, it's been an honor, bro. We're probably gonna die after this. Wow, 144? You damn, you shit me? That's crazy. Crap. We're gonna die. Guess we have to rely on easy zombies too, and grenades. That's the only way. Oh, if you need that. Oh, demon kill too. Huh. Yeah, it's the end, bro. Hiya! Hiya! I'll get some stuff. Like that. Okay, we definitely. Oh shoot! I don't think we can beat the odds, bro. We're screwed. GG. There's a grenade. Alright, I'm gonna use a grenade. There we go! Here's a grenade, zombies. It's free. Right. It's free. Here's some Molotov. Hey, yeah. Here's Molotov. The best part, you'll be flammable. It's free too. Yeah. It's like being in a hot tub. Oh! I flipped! Maybe... oh wait. Hey, I think we might... If we, keep on doing a group of zombies, maybe we have a chance. Let's see, man. Alright, I got one too. Yep, I think we're gonna beat the odds. Let's get we gotta focus on the easy ones though. We're surviving. The hell? Like good. Oh, good. Damn, we're still alive, bro. Wait, this is our record. Yeah. Right. Yep. Probably didn't know what to do with grenades too. I'm definitely gonna help you out, man. I got your back. Damn straight. Oh, alright, I won't get it, I won't get it. Ow. Yeah! Alright, grenade time! Kia! Stun 2! Yes! If you ever rely on grenades, bro, you stand a chance. Oh, bro, hope so. Hopefully. Try to get the easy zombies as soon as possible. There we go.